pass it up. I think I want forever. Maybe we found some love. Maybe we found some love. Maybe it's all us. But am I crazy for trying? I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying?
Good morning, guys. So, this morning I have a lot to do, and I'm literally so angry right now because you see how I am dressed like a mama. Like, you see how I am dressed with my hair tie and all. I am ready to fight today because Nigerian banks will stress you. Because tell me why I applied for a new dollar card after I lost my old one since last month. And people of God, today is 18th of December. And first of all, when I something they were supposed to give me the same day I applied, first of all, they said it was going to take 5 working days. Okay, I gave them 7 days. I gave them extra 2 days before I went back there. And these people told me that they mistakenly sent my card to another state. Like, what kind of mistake? Who does that? They sent my card to another state. And after going back and forth, they apologized and said they were going to send it to my location. And they sent me an email saying that by 10th of December, it will be ready. I can go and pick it up. Today is 18th. And I'm going there today to either get my card or request for a refund because I'm done. I've been sending money to cheaper cash, to my cheaper account, changing naira to dollar. And if you use cheaper, you understand how difficult it is to convert from naira to dollar and it's more expensive. I've been wasting money when I am supposed to use my dollar card basically. So I'm done doing that today. I'm going there to make trouble this morning. And I literally have to make a to-do list because I don't want to angrily forget things that I'm supposed to do today because after going to the bank, I have to go and pick up some things at different places and also going to the market and also the supermarket to get something else, to get my free spray because I have a new wig to show you guys. And I don't want to talk about it until you guys see the video. So I'm getting ready to go out right now and I'll talk to you guys when I get back. Hopefully, I come back with good news. And even though we are going to fight, we still have to smell good. You get? So for my morning lotion, I use Nivea, and this Nivea Perfect and Radiant Body Beauty is it smells so nice and is really lightweight and moisturizing as well. And it also contains berry extract and UVA, UVB filters. So it's really, really good and it's good for all skin types. So when I'm done with my Nivea, I just go in with my baby oil, especially Doremi baby oil. You guys, this is what my mom used when she was still bearing children, and I tell you, this baby oil smells amazing and it's lightweight as well. It doesn't feel like you applied something. It's really, really lightweight. So I'm just going to top this off because I love to build fragrance. And when I'm done, I just go in with my perfume. I already sprayed my deodorant before I wore my dress, so I don't have to do that again. But then I think in another video, I'm going to show you guys all my skincare products very soon. So just in case you are wondering, don't wonder too long. The video is coming very soon. And finally, I have to wear a mask because it is really, really dusty and dry, and I don't want to get sick. So I have to go out with a mask. So I'll see you guys when I get. So guys, I'm back and as you can see, my face is still intact. I did not fight with anybody. So I got my card. I got my card after so long. And I also got the things I wanted to buy, but I didn't buy the more. I did every other thing except two things on my list. So I have a lot of unboxing to do, which I'm going to unbox with you guys. Like I have a lot of things to unbox right here. So I'm just going to unbox it with you guys and get this done. So this is the first bag. I think I've already unboxed this bag in my previous video. If you guys did not see my previous video, I I got this. It came two in one. So instead of buying one for 5,000, I bought two for 7,250. Yeah, so I got two. I also got a stimulating shampoo, the Mega Go stimulating shampoo. I think I've already unboxed this one. And okay, this is the one I got today. So I got the glue because my nails are falling. Like my left hand, you can see everything is falling off. Why this one is still intact? I broke my nail, so I pulled this one out because I broke the nail. But these ones are still intact. So I'm just going to glue these ones back and see if they can last me for another week. Um, I got um the scissors. I got my facial razor, and I also got a small mirror because I don't have a small mirror. So whenever I am filming my hair videos or filming like a makeup video or something, I have to be looking at my camera instead of using a mirror. So I have to get a small mirror. So, so I also got wipes. I got my Dettol soap because I normally use Dettol soap and antiseptic soap before I use my normal soap on my body. So I have a skincare video that is coming up very soon. So you guys are going to see my skincare routine and everything. So you don't need to ask. And finally, I got my freeze spray. It was funny because the last time I went to the supermarket, this was 5,000, and it's not even up to a week, and this is 5,200. I should have just gotten this thing that day because I was saying I'm going to order it, but look at me. This is a Korean skincare product. I actually forgot that I have this package. It's been here since October. That's how life has been lifing. Imagine forgetting that you have a skincare package. So I'm just going to unbox it with you guys right now. Ooh. You guys have seen this particular Korean brand, Believe. This Korean brand called Believe. So this is their Super Drops Multi 7 Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum. I have always wanted this particular product, and I didn't even know that this was what I had in my package. Wow, I'm so happy. This, what is this? This is their, it's also a hydrating hyaluronic frozen serum, cools skin temperature and visibly reduces the appearance of pores. So okay. So I'm going to show you guys what this product looks like. I think you're meant to pop these into the fridge and then use them. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this in another video. The restaurant. So I have my wig here, and it's a 360 wig. It's actually a 360 wig, which I'm going to show you guys when I install it. So it's actually long. I'm going to show you guys when I install this wig. Oh my god! For you guys, you get the idea. Wait until I do this installation. Okay, I have another package, and this one came from YouTube Black. I'm so happy. When I got a call that I have a package, I was like, from YouTube. I was like, because I was not expecting anything. So YouTube Black sent me a package, and it has a bag. Okay, so it came with this little card and a message at the back, and this is what the bag looks like. It's so cute. I don't have this kind of bag, so I was really excited when I got this. I was really, really excited to get this, and it looks really cool. It looks really cool. It has a lot of storage space inside, and it has the little YouTube logo here. And oh my god, I can't wait! This little YouTube thing. Oh my god! Oh my god! What's this? I think this is like a brooch. This is like a brooch. I don't know how to use this though, but I'll find out. Right now, bag. So this bag has hair products and skincare products. So I restocked on my deep conditioner. I am shamelessly coming back to Mega Growth because Mega Growth is still the only product that will not cut your neck when you want to buy it. Don't get me wrong, I still use my Aunt Jackie and other brands and TGIN and other brands, but because of the price, I can't use them every single week. So I just have to switch, like alternate between Mega Growth and those other expensive brands so that I don't go broke because of my hair. So I got the big jar because the smaller one doesn't do enough. I can't use the smaller one twice for my hair, so I got the big one. And this big one cost me 2,500. Let me know if this was expensive. Then I got this body scrub. This is one of the body scrubs I use. I I got a new one just to restore before the old one I have gets finished. I don't want to hear stories. And this scrub costs me 3,500. It's 3,500. Funny thing is the last one I bought was 2,000 to two, and now it's 3,500. So the next thing I got is my cream of natural living conditioner. If I don't know if I've mentioned this in one of my videos, but I love having this liquid spray on living conditioners, especially if I am on a protective style like mini braids, cornrows. You can easily spray this on your hair instead of using the cream. So this is really nice. I got this for 4,500 and is from Cream of Nature living conditioner. Then the next thing I got was the Originals hair mayonnaise. It's a light protein treatment that I love using. This one also cost me 4,300. Things are so expensive. Now I got face masks. I got about four. Was it four? Okay, so I got about four face masks. Each of them cost me 550 each. So this is the honey, the rice mask. This is the vitamin C mask, and I also got a collagen mask. So I just got four. I picked one of each. I still have some left at home. I also have one of my Korean face masks left at home, and I just have one more. And I also got this product. I don't know how to explain this product. It's giving serum, but it's not a serum, but it's for the hair and your wigs. It has a slimy feeling to it. So this, and it smells really, really good. This snail museum. Funny thing is that this one is from Dice and not Cosarez. I saw this one and I wanted to just give it a try out because if I can use a dupe that will give me the same feeling or the same result as the Cosarez, I would rather go for this one because skincare is no longer cheap these days. I'm looking for anyhow I can cut down on my expenses. So I got this nail machine. Let me even open it up and just show you guys. It looks exactly the same, like exactly the same. But let me. Mhm. Okay. So, oh my god. Okay. Okay. Guys, see that? It actually feels the same. I trust me. If this thing is good, I'm not going to buy the Cosrx again for now. Then my bank account breathes. Smells okay. Now the final thing I also got, not like final thing, I got my tretinoin. Funny thing is that I still use the 0.025% because I am scared of using the 0.05 or 0.1. I don't want my skin to start peeling or purging again. But I think after this particular pack, I'll just go up to the 0.05. I won't use the 0.025 again. So if you're wondering why my skin is looking like this, This is part of the reason. It's not the only thing I use, but it's part of it. And I also got a blush. I got this cute blush. Can you see this? Initially, I was contemplating if I should get this particular shade, and looking at it right now, I think this is going to look so good when I'm getting my makeup done. I can even wear this without getting makeup done. Are you seeing how it looks? It doesn't look bad. So I can actually wear this if I just want to wear blush and lip gloss, like if I want like a no makeup look. And it's very lightweight. It's not even sticky. Like it's just okay. Let me not talk too much. And finally, I got this pencil. It has two shades. I need this particular shade for one eye look I want to do. So I got this because I needed it for something. So yeah, that's basically it for my unboxing. I still have another package coming in, skincare package coming in as well. And this is the reason why I've not been able to give you guys my full skincare video because I've been trying to restock, and whenever I try to check out, the price is always sending me back. So I've wasted so much time to give you guys my full detailed skincare video. So that video is going to come this month. So you guys should expect it. It's coming this month, definitely. Once the final package arrives, I'm going to do like my full skincare video and my skincare routine, my morning skincare routine, my night skincare routine, my body, like my full body routine and everything.